Hey guys, today we have something that I have no idea what to expect from. I never opened this package before. It says Outdoors Essential Kit 3 pieces, and on the back somebody attempted to raise the price, but I could tell it said $35. So let's see what's inside for $35. Obviously, looks like a flashlight and lantern, spoon, fork, opener, and a knife, and something else that we are gonna see right here. And I'm just gonna open it up. And this I was told it's one of the best kits for camping and that kind of stuff. And if any of you watch, for example, Mav, he's a huge YouTube channel. He would actually be more adequate to talk about this stuff, but somehow this fell in my lap, so I have to talk about it. And here's some kind of manual or manifesto, whatever you want to call that. Let me put it back in the box, because I don't know what this one is. So, here in the box, we start with the utensils. Feels pretty good. It's not the flimsiest I've seen. It's a tiny spoon though. Not sure who would be able to eat with this much spoon, but hey, it's there. The fork is kind of fine, I guess. And let's see what we have on this Swiss tool here. And this is the opener slash some kind of sharp side it has. I'm not sure if you can see it there. In that side, it is sharp. And here are the cutters or the openers. And there's the knife, if I can take it out of the slot. And the knife seems pretty sharp, but definitely needs more sharpening. It seems almost like the Leatherman tools we used to call them, but a little bit simpler and kind of a smaller way. Well, against my hand would not be accurate, as I have quite a big hand, but let me put it next to a Xbox controller would be a better measure. Here's the Xbox controller, and here's this one. It's kind of this size, and it's actually really good quality. I never seen it before. I like these kind of camping stuff, or some people call them survival stuff. I'm not sure what to call it. And here's my favorite part, the one that got my attention to begin with. It's one of those clips that seems to have some flashlight, which I don't know how you turn it on, or are you supposed to put batteries, I think, on this one? Yep, it has some kind of batteries. But if any of you knows how this thing turns on, please let me know in the comments below. It's supposed to be a flashlight. That's interesting. There's the clip itself. And in the other side, we have a compass. Not sure if the camera will do a good job here. And the compass seems to be actually working really good. Okay. And here we have more tools, looks like. Oh, the compass actually comes out. Okay, I didn't even realize that. And here we have another knife. Actually, this one feels sharper and a little bit better. Oh, this actually is nice. And there's a tiny saw, which is double toothed. And if you know about saws, you know double teeth saws. These are really good. That is actually a really good tool. So I was right to be excited about this piece in the entire box. And in my opinion, it was worth what I paid just for this piece alone. I really like this one. And now the third piece is this flashlight slash lantern. Looks like it has a magnet on the bottom. Oh yeah, it is a magnet. So you can put it on the car or whatnot. And let me grab some batteries for it real quick, because it seems like it came without batteries. Oh, and it's feels a little bit watertight. It has rubber gaskets, and it feels quite probably water resistant. I would not go as far as saying watertight, because that's a big word. Well, let me take some batteries and take a look at it, how bright this one is. Okay, so it takes 3 AAAs, the tiny ones. And put them back in, and let's see how this one works. Looks like I have to find the fine spot here. And oh, here's the lantern and the flashlight. Looks like they come on at the same time. And this is the dimmer. And here's the SOS. That's actually nice. And this is the highest or the brightest setting. On the top here is like a flashlight, but it's lit up by the same LEDs that are inside here. And this is actually really nice quality. I can't say it's the lowest quality like I usually see. This one is actually quite good quality. And for camping, this would make a perfect tiny lantern slash flashlight to have with you. And in conjunction with these tools, or together with these tools, it would really make a nice set to have with you in a camping trip or whatever you want to call it. And as I said, some people call it survival tools. I would just call them camping tools more than anything. And this is beautiful. This is something that I expected a little bit cheaper, even though the price said $35. I think this is actually worth it. Not just for the price I paid, because I'm not even gonna say the price I paid, but definitely not $35. But for the set of what you get here, I would say it's worth it. It's really, really good, and it has some really useful tools on it. And here it goes. Wow. I am so glad I picked this one up. And yes, again, this is the box. It just says Outdoor Essential Kit. This camping combo includes utilities you'll need for an escape to the outdoors. Oh, I guess that's cool. Oh, made by Berkshire right here. And it doesn't say anything else actually on the box itself except for the 3-piece outdoors. And in here, somehow it says Auto Boys Services. I don't know where it really came from, but the price tag was $35 on the box. And I think that's pretty much all I can talk about this one, because I'm not going to go outside and chop stuff. And yeah, before I go, this piece here is some kind of metal. It's not really, yeah, it's actually metal, not even aluminum. But some kind of ferro metal. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. All I can say, all are made by the same company on the same box, all made of metals and steel, whatever you want to call that, except for the lantern, which obviously it's going to be plastic. And please like and subscribe on this channel and leave your comments below if you saw something that you might say a different opinion about them, or what do you think about them if you ever had a set like this. And with that said, we'll see you next time, and thank you for watching. Bye!